Have you ever dreamed of attending a wedding even though in real life you had no plans of going to one? Dreams like this can sometimes feel strange, but they carry very important meaning. Spiritually, weddings in dreams also symbolize covenants, union, or a new season beginning. But the meaning depends on your role and who was involved. If in the dream you are a guest at a stranger's wedding, this often shows the dream isn't about your personal life but about your environment. You may be observing changes, blessings, or covenants around you that don't directly concern you but still affect you. Sometimes it's also a call to pray because not every covenant being celebrated is a good one. If you're a guest at the wedding of someone you know, this usually points to your relationship with that person. It can mean joy and progress in their life, or it may reveal how you feel about them, whether supportive, jealous, or left behind. If in the dream you are marrying a stranger, this often this is often a spiritual warning. It may point to wrong covenants, manipulations, or being tied to responsibilities you didn't choose. Spiritually, it's like being joined to something that is not for you. If you are marrying someone you know, the meaning depends on who they are. If the dream felt joyful, it may symbolize unity, partnership, or agreement with that person. Not always literal marriage, but shared destiny or projects. If it felt heavy or disturbing, it could be a warning about unhealthy ties or influences you need to be careful of. Psychologically, wedding dreams reflect your feelings about love, commitment, or big changes in life. Being a guest at a stranger's wedding can show feelings of being an outsider, just watching life move forward for others. Being a guest at the wedding of someone you know may reflect your emotion towards them, happiness, comparison, or even fear of being left behind. Marrying a stranger can reflect your feeling. It can reflect feeling forced into responsibilities or pressure in real life that you didn't choose. Marrying someone you know may reflect your closeness, dependency, or thoughts about your connection with them, not necessarily romance, but the bond you share. Now, let's look at a different wedding scenario. When you are dreaming of marrying a rich or attractive stranger. This is a very common case. Sometimes in the dream, you are marrying a stranger, but this stranger looks exactly like the kind of man or woman you've always desired. Maybe they are rich, good looking, or successful, and in the dream you felt happy and excited. Spiritually, you have to be careful here. Not every beautiful or wealthy partner in a dream is from God. Sometimes it's simply your own desire playing out. Other times it can even be a distraction, a counterfeit picture that looks perfect but doesn't carry God's plan. Psychologically, this kind of dream often reveals the longing of your heart. Maybe you've been thinking a lot about your future partner or comparing your current reality with what you wish you had. The dream gives you a picture of that desire. So, how do you know the difference? Pay attention to how you feel after the dream. If the dream If the happiness stays with peace, it may just be your heart expressing hope and God reminding you that He knows your desire. But if the joy feels too good to be true, or later leaves you unsettled, treat it with caution. Pray about it and don't take it as a direct promise. Now, how do you know which meaning applies to your dream? If the dream felt joyful and peaceful, it usually points to blessings, unity, or new beginnings. If it felt confusing, heavy, or forced, it may be a warning about wrong covenants or unhealthy ties. If you were a guest, ask yourself, was it about me or was I only watching? Sometimes being a guest means the dream is about others, not you. If you are the one marrying, it points directly to you, your commitment, responsibility, or spiritual connection. And if the dream showed your ideal partner, but they were a stranger, test it carefully. Not every perfect picture is a promise. So, what should you do if you dream of a wedding? If the dream felt positive, thank God for joy and new beginnings. Pray for wisdom to step into the right partnerships. If it felt negative or forced, break every wrong covenant in prayer. Ask God to free you from unhealthy connections or pressures. If you were a guest, reflect on your emotions. Did you feel happy, left out, or unsettled? That feeling may reveal how you see yourself in relation to others. If you were the one marrying, take it seriously as a message about your own commitment. Pray carefully and check what responsibilities or relationships you are stepping into. If it was your dream, if it was your dream partner in the dream, pray for discernment. Ask God to remove false pictures and prepare you for the right partner at the right time. Dreams of weddings are powerful because weddings represent covenant. Sometimes they show blessings and joy, other times they bring warnings. The key is to notice your role in the dream, who you were connected to, and how you felt. That's where the real meaning is. That's all for this video. In the next one, I'll be sharing another powerful dream meaning you don't want to miss. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel and like the video and tell me in the comment what dream should I interpret next.